Floor-standing speakers are a must for anyone who wants a true audio experience at home or anywhere else. With deep bass and clear highs, these speakers bring your music and movies to life like never before. If you are looking for the best floor-standing speakers available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the klipsch Reference Premiere RP-8000F. The klipsch Reference Premiere RP-8000F is a powerhouse in home audio, delivering high-quality sound and sleek design. This speaker, available in both black and brown, is built for those who want top-notch audio performance in their living spaces. Known for its impressive 600-watt maximum output power, the klipsch creates a full, immersive surround sound experience. With a frequency response as low as 20 Hz, it delivers deep, rich bass that enhances the listening experience, whether you're enjoying music, movies, or gaming. One of the key features of this klipsch speaker is its advanced Tractrix horn. This updated, larger 90 degrees by 90 degrees horn made from silicone composite ensures clearer, crisper sound by focusing the audio precisely toward the listener. Paired with a linear travel suspension, LTS, titanium diaphragm tweeter, the RP-8000F II minimizes distortion, allowing for high-fidelity, detailed audio. The vented tweeter design further refines the sound quality, enhancing the clarity of every note and vocal. Equipped with cerametallic woofers, this speaker provides flawless sound reproduction. The woofers have been updated to reduce distortion and maximize efficiency, ensuring that audio is both accurate and powerful. Additionally, the Tractrix ports enhance bass response by enabling efficient airflow, which results in cleaner and deeper bass tones. For audio enthusiasts, the klipsch Reference also offers bi-wiring and bi-amping capabilities, allowing high and low frequencies to be separated, further reducing distortion for clearer sound. The cabinet is sturdily designed with additional bracing to reduce vibrations, making it a stylish and functional addition to any room. With high-quality materials and finishes, this speaker not only sounds incredible, but also serves as a statement piece, blending seamlessly into any home decor. The 4th product on this list is Focal Chora 826. The Focal Chora 826 is a high-quality 3-way floor-standing speaker that brings rich, dynamic sound into your home. Designed with audiophiles in mind, this loudspeaker is crafted to deliver precise audio that captures every detail in your favorite music or movies. One of its standout features is the slate fiber cone, a cutting-edge speaker material developed and manufactured by Focal in France. This technology enhances the clarity and depth of sound, allowing listeners to experience a more accurate, lifelike audio performance. With a maximum output power of 250 watts, the Focal Chora provides powerful, room-filling sound that's perfect for larger spaces. It uses a bass reflex system to enhance low frequencies, adding depth to bass notes without compromising clarity. Additionally, the speaker includes a tilted stand, which improves time alignment. This unique design angle helps create a better soundstage, so every instrument and voice sounds perfectly positioned, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Available in elegant finishes such as light wood, dark wood, and black, the Focal Chora complements any decor, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your space. Its minimalist design combines style with functionality, making it an attractive choice for any home entertainment setup. Though sold individually, it can be paired with additional speakers for a complete stereo or surround sound experience. With its blend of innovative technology, powerful output, and sleek aesthetics, the Focal Chora is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their audio experience. Still haven't found the best floor-standing speakers for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Polk Audio Reserve Series R700. The Polk Audio Reserve R700 is a premium floor-standing speaker designed to elevate the audio experience in any home theater setup. With a sophisticated design and advanced technology, this speaker features a 1-inch pinnacle ring radiator tweeter and dual 6.5-inch turbine cone woofers. Together, they deliver clear, crisp highs, a rich mid-range, and deep bass, making it ideal for both music and movie enthusiasts. The speaker's robust configuration includes dual 8-inch long-throw drivers and Polk's patented PowerPort 2.0 with export technology, which work to eliminate distortion and produce room-filling bass that remains clean and powerful even at higher volumes. Certified for high-res audio and optimized for Dolby Atmos and IMAX enhanced formats, Polk Audio offers unmatched clarity and dynamic range, bringing immersive, lifelike sound to your home. It supports high-resolution audio formats such as DSD, FLAC, WAV, ALAC, and MQA, ensuring compatibility with top-tier audio standards. The cabinet's bass reflex design and downfiring port further enhance low-frequency response, giving you an impactful listening experience that's free from unwanted noise. With an elegant walnut brown finish, the Polk Audio is both stylish and functional, designed to blend seamlessly into any home decor. The cabinet is carefully engineered with cross-bracing to minimize internal vibrations, and it includes an acoustically inert anti-diffraction grille that enhances its sleek, modern look. Versatile placement options are available with adjustable feet that work on various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and carpet. The second product on this list is the Triangle Borea BR10. The Triangle Borea BR10 speaker offers an impressive combination of power, clarity, and versatility, and it is ideal for both music enthusiasts and home cinema setups. With a robust power handling capacity of up to 200 watts and an efficient 92 decibel sensitivity rating, these speakers can produce rich, full sound with remarkable clarity and depth, even in larger rooms. The Triangle Borea features multiple high-quality drivers, including a 25mm silk dome tweeter, a 16 cm mid-range driver crafted from natural cellulose pulp, and two 21 cm woofers made with a durable fiberglass membrane. This combination ensures a balanced audio profile, delivering crisp highs, natural midtones, and deep, resonant bass. Designed for versatility, the Triangle Borea is compatible with various amplifier power ranges from 75 evo to 350 GAU at 8 ohms, making it adaptable to different audio systems. Its dual terminal setup supports both 4mm2 cross-section cables and standard banana plugs, giving users flexibility in connectivity. This model has a frequency response range of 30 Hz to 22,000 Hz, allowing it to capture a broad spectrum of sound for an immersive listening experience. The Triangle Borea speakers are available in 3 attractive finishes: black ash, light oak, and walnut, catering to various aesthetic preferences. With the precision and craftsmanship synonymous with Triangle's reputation, the Triangle Borea speakers represent a premium choice for those seeking a high-performance, stylish addition to their audio setup. Before we reveal the top floor-standing speakers on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top floor-standing speakers is the Definitive Technology Dymension DM70. The Definitive Technology Dymension DM70 large tower speaker is an exceptional floor-standing speaker designed to fill any room with immersive, high-quality audio. Featuring a powerful 180-watt output, the DM70 combines sophisticated technology with sleek design for an unparalleled listening experience. This speaker includes 4 5.25-inch BDSS mid-range woofers and a high-performance tweeter, offering detailed, rich sound that brings music, movies, and dialogue to life. It's fully balanced, adjustable bipolar arrays direct sound from both the front and back, providing an enveloping audio experience that fills the room with vibrant, multi-directional sound. The Definitive Technology Dymension is designed to make bass a priority, incorporating 2.3 XR optimized passive radiators and an integrated 10-inch powered subwoofer with Class D amplification. This setup ensures deep bass impact that resonates throughout the space, enhancing both vocal clarity and low-end power for a complete audio range. The speaker also includes Definitive Technology's intelligent bass control, which balances subwoofer output with mid and high frequencies for seamless audio blending. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.